Okay, we are in Lake Ballard, which is about 50 kilometres out of Menzies, which is like an hour outside of Kalgoorlie. And we've come here. Oh, it's very windy today. We've come here to see there's 51 statues out there. We're going to climb that mountain thing up there as well and have a look around. We can't see all 51 statues. They're about, or in art installations, because there's like 10k, 20k walk, and it's like 39 degrees right now.
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
So that's why we've got full sleeves for a little bit of sun protection. And we're going to head out. So let's have some fun. It appears like some of these are the boys and some of these are the girls. This one's a bloke and the other one's the girls. I don't know what else there is. When I said we were going for a walk on the lake, it literally is something that you can walk on. It's a salt lake, so there's no water right here. You can just see the white bits are all salt that's around the place. And is that water out there? Is that
I think it's mirage, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it ever
has
feels...
water in the winter.
Does it?
I think so.
Yeah, I think we've seen photos with these people in it underwater, right? Like a little bit.
Yeah,
I'm not sure. But yeah, really interesting. So it's not that we have magical powers. This is a lake you can actually walk on. Old fashion tip, if you're coming out here, get some fly nets. Turn it off. Turn it on or turn it off? Where is it? He's flying the drone.
Flies.
What? See all the flies in here?